reduce the number of options, give you a very clear path, and truly establish priorities for you. If you came in here and you have a level of anxiety, or even if you're leaving right now and you feel anxious, even though you've already identified your constraint, you've already locked in sort of your best guess of the playbook that you're going to be working on, just know that that is the role of the coach and the RAM that you're going to be working with primarily, is to really be able to when he defined anxiety as too many options and too few priorities. Well, we're going to help reduce the number of options, give you a very clear path, and truly establish priorities for you. So another thing real quick that I want to make sure to clarify, because I had a couple people ask me this, just so you know, every single one of the coaches are competent and we're training them to be fully capable of being able to coach you across any of the 24 playbook. We will, you'll be able to go through and just confirm that that is right. And we also have tools to be able to help you diagnose and make sure that that is the right one. We're going to then establish a baseline. Once that playbook is assigned, we'll execute on that. You'll have the weekly accountability completely laid out for you. You'll then have how to verify completion and what the coach is ultimately going to be helping you look for. And then, as I stated, you'll just re-diagnose and then capture where you're at in the next stage. And I will tell you this, that in that owner constraint, KPIs are important. So as you're doing that diagnosis, if you can't produce your numbers truly to show a representation of your business, they still may push you to M1. Really would love for y'all to be able to lock in an accountability partner. If there is someone at your table, if there's someone in the room that y'all can commit to, just trying to support each other. This community is a huge aspect of the success of each one that you see in our top doctors and just the success of the program in general.